Pakistan, with its rich agricultural heritage, is on the path to a greener future. Through cutting-edge technologies and sustainable practices, we are redefining the landscape of agriculture. Precision farming is revolutionizing the way we cultivate crops. Smart sensors, drones, and AI-powered analytics enable farmers to make data-driven decisions, optimizing resource use and increasing crop yields. Water is a precious resource, and in Pakistan, we are embracing smart irrigation systems that ensure water efficiency. From drip irrigation to soil moisture sensors, our farmers are conserving water and promoting sustainable agriculture. Empowering farmers with technology, mobile applications provide real-time information on crop health. This enables early detection of diseases, allowing for timely interventions and minimizing crop loss. Agriculture in Pakistan is witnessing a surge in innovative startups. From farm management apps to marketplaces connecting farmers with buyers, these startups are driving efficiency and transparency in the agricultural value chain. Sustainability is at the heart of agriculture. Green Pakistan. Organic farming, crop rotation, and eco-friendly practices are not just buzzwords, they are integral to preserving our environment and ensuring a bountiful harvest for generations to come. The government of Pakistan is actively supporting the green revolution in agriculture. Through various initiatives and policies, they are fostering an environment where farmers can thrive and contribute to a sustainable and prosperous nation.